clear.
Thank you.
Go have a good day. I never touched his item. Enjoy your bullying of a position.
Are you
For a minute.
Yep, just a minute.
This is Ian Milburn of the Hamilton Police Department, and this is the kind of cop that makes other cops look bad in uniform. If you're another cop and you see cops like this acting out, start calling them out. Stop propagating that all cops are good, and stop with this blue line nonsense. Cops like this make you look bad. Watch this video.
So, I can talk to you through the door. It's not really a good moment for me to come out right now. So,
Okay.
I know that my neighbor has made some sort of complaint against me. If you look in the notes of your file, you'll see that there has been false complaints made by Mr. Slobomir. In the past, he is a superintendent. He is someone who is trying to allow renovations to occur contrary to the zoning of this house in order to effect my eviction. What this is a superintendent harassing his tenant and making it construed to be the opposite. So,
Hey, listen to me. If you damage his property,
I haven't touched
listen to me.
Please don't speak to me.
If you damage his property,
None of his property has been
can I
damaged.
finish my sentence?
You don't need to speak with me.
If
like
you
that.
if you damage his property, you are going to be arrested,
I
and
have
that's
not
not going to
touched
help
anything
you.
of his.
That's not going to help you with
Excuse
your.
me, sir.
Can I finish
No,
my
you
sentence,
can't,
please?
because I haven't damaged
Okay,
anything
then I'll
or
just
touched
speak
anything
over
of
you,
his.
because clearly you're unreasonable and you don't listen.
No, actually.
If you damage his property,
Sir, go look in the
you
notes.
are going to be arrested.
Go
So
look
do
in the
not
notes.
damage
I
anything.
never touched his
Is
items.
that clear?
Sir, it's clear.
Thank you.
Go have a good day. I never touched his items. Enjoy your bullying of a position.
All right, folks, we have an update for you guys. This Hamilton police officer faces Police Services Act hearing after pleading guilty to assault. Constable Ian Milburn faces the charge under Police Services Act because he was found guilty of a criminal offense, namely that you did unlawfully commit an assault according to notice of hearing. Doing so constituted an offense against discipline, it adds. Milburn pled guilty and was placed on probation for 18 months in November. Court documents viewed by CBC Hamilton show Constable Ian Milburn has 9 conditions to his probation issued on November 10th. They include writing an apology letter to the woman he lunged at, avoiding all contact with her except in an avoidable emergency, attending anger management classes, completing 150 hours of community service. CBC News has agreed to withhold the woman's name due to her safety. The Hamilton Police Service told CBC Hamilton on Thursday that its professional standards branch is now reviewing the incident as the criminal case is complete. If there is a Police Service Act hearing, media will be notified as outlined in the legislation. On February 11th at roughly 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, police said 2 officers responded to a dispute between a landlord and a tenant near King Street, East and Sherman Avenue. Now in the video, 2 masked uniformed officers are shown at the door of the basement unit of a home asking to speak with the tenant. One officer points at the camera before speaking with the tenant who has the door cracked open. She also says he is the superintendent and made past complaints about her. In the video, she says the neighbor was trying to allow renovations that are contrary to the zoning of the home and he is trying to evict her. The superintendent is harassing his tenant and making it construed to be the opposite, she says. The woman says she didn't damage any property. Please don't speak to me like that. In the raised voice, the officer says, I'll just speak over you because clearly you're unreasonable and you don't listen. The woman told CDC Hamilton on Thursday the charges could have been avoided if Milburn had apologized earlier. She said she feels vindicated the officer pled guilty, but I certainly don't have added faith in the justice system because of this particular circumstance. The only reason he was held accountable is because I advocated for myself. She added that she'll be framing Milburn's apology letter. Now, folks, keep in mind that because this police officer, she has lost faith and trust in police. Like I said, this kind of cop makes all cops look bad. If you're a cop and you're paying attention to this video, you should be given a thumbs up. Not only that, you should go out of your way, talk to your partners, and let them know that you do not want to work with them if this is how they're going to behave. Especially in the locker room where the public's not around. If you don't want the people to see, if your partner doesn't want to be embarrassed, let them know before they're out in public. And if they're acting like this out in public, especially after they've been told by you, then go ahead and let them have it. They'd been warned by you. Keep this in mind, folks, that police officers sometimes make other police officers look bad. That is extremely important, and this type of video is a perfect example of that. Thank you all for watching. I hope you appreciate the update video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. We got tons of videos like this on the channel, so make sure you go back and binge watch, and we're going to keep bringing them to you. Make sure you hit the bell so you get our next notification. We'll see you on the next one, folks. Peace.